Hi traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing the cycle sniper indicator for MT4. Well, as you can see, this indicator is for sale. All right, it's for sale on the MQL5 marketplace. However, we are going to be looking at how this indicator works so that if you are the type that if you're the type of trader that is open to making financial commitments, to getting indicators that work, you can proceed if you find this indicator valuable. Okay, so it's going for $129 on the MQL5 marketplace, but if you want to rent it for a month, it's $38 US. Meanwhile, there is a free demo, okay, that you can test. Okay, if you click on that, you will see the option of whether you have MetaTrader 4 or not. If you have the MetaTrader 4, it's going to direct you to where you can test the free demo. Right now, this indicator, as every other indicator out there, does not guarantee profit. Okay, does not guarantee profit. Okay, but the indicator, it is designed to help you analyze market cycles. As the name implies, it's a cycle sniper indicator, right? So it is designed to help you analyze market cycles. And according to the cycle theory, markets have a tendency to move in cyclical patterns from periods of bullishness to periods of bearishness, and back to periods of bullishness, right? So this is what this indicator intends to do, helping you to understand these cycles even better. So going to the chart, we can see that the indicator helps you to identify, to point out the possible highs and lows, right? The possible highs and lows on the chart. So if you are a reversal indicator, if you are a reversal trader, you like to trade reversals, this indicator can come in handy. All right. Now you will notice that the indicator gave a false signal here, right, as identified on this image, and then you can see that these other points were accurate according to the image, right? So this indicator points out the possible end of a bullish move for a time, right, and the possible end of a bearish move for a time. Okay, so that is exactly what we can see happening here. In addition to the indicator window, you can see this oscillator that is moving from top to bottom in this indicator window. You can see that the indicator also gives signals here on your chart, right? It gives you signals. So when you want to buy, you will notice that this blue dot is a buy signal, right? In addition to this crossover occurring here in this indicator window, okay, you're gonna see your blue dots telling you to buy, and then for sell signal, you will notice the red dot telling you to sell, in addition to this bearish crossover in the indicator window. Okay, so if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable content like this. Don't forget, if you want to make any financial commitment, try as much as possible to test it out on demo first. If there is a free demo, please take advantage of that before making any financial commitment so that you do not have unnecessary regrets. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.